What if I told you that something as simple as drinking tea could dramatically lower your blood sugar levels? Not just any tea, but 5 specific teas that doctors and clinical researchers have been studying for years. I'm talking about teas so powerful that studies show they can reduce fasting blood sugar by up to 18%, improve insulin sensitivity, and even help reverse insulin resistance. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which teas to add to your daily routine and the science-backed reasons why they work. So grab your favorite mug and let's dive in. The research on these teas is compelling. Studies published in peer-reviewed medical journals showing real, measurable results. The best part? These aren't exotic herbs. Most are available at your local grocery store right now. Let us start with number 5 and work our way up to the most powerful tea for blood sugar control. Tea number 5, chamomile tea. Most people think of chamomile as just a relaxing bedtime tea, but research shows it's so much more. A study in the Journal of Endocrinological Investigation found that drinking chamomile tea 3 times a day with meals significantly improved glycemic control in people with type 2 diabetes. Here's why chamomile works. It contains flavonoids that help your body use insulin more effectively. Better insulin sensitivity means your cells can actually absorb glucose instead of letting it accumulate in your bloodstream. It has natural anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is one of the hidden drivers of insulin resistance, and it helps you sleep better. Poor sleep destroys blood sugar control by increasing cortisol, which raises blood sugar and increases insulin resistance. How to use it? Drink 1 cup after dinner or before bed. Steep for at least 5 minutes. No sugar, no honey, just pure chamomile tea. Tea number 4, hibiscus tea. This beautiful ruby red tea is loaded with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants found in blueberries and red wine. A study in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine found that hibiscus tea not only helped lower blood sugar, but also improved cholesterol levels and reduced blood pressure. The science. Hibiscus contains compounds that slow down the breakdown of carbohydrates in your digestive system. When carbs are broken down more slowly, you don't get those dangerous blood sugar spikes after meals. Instead, glucose is released gradually, giving your insulin a fighting chance. Hibiscus also helps improve fat metabolism. Excess body fat creates insulin resistance, so by helping your body process fats more efficiently, hibiscus indirectly supports better blood sugar control. How to use it? Drink it in the morning or 30 minutes before a meal, hot or cold. Aim for 2 cups per day. Note, if you're on blood pressure medication, talk to your doctor first. Tea number 3, cinnamon tea. Cinnamon has been studied extensively, and the results are impressive. A meta-analysis found that cinnamon significantly reduced fasting blood glucose, cholesterol, and triglycerides. Here's the key. Use Ceylon cinnamon, not cassia. Ceylon is true cinnamon and contains less coumarin, which can harm your liver in large amounts. How does cinnamon work? It improves insulin sensitivity at the cellular level, activating insulin receptors and helping unlock your cells so glucose can get inside. It slows gastric emptying, meaning carbohydrates are absorbed more slowly, preventing post-meal spikes. One study showed that adding just 1 teaspoon of cinnamon to a carb-rich meal reduced the blood sugar response by nearly 30%. How to use it? Buy cinnamon tea bags or steep a Ceylon cinnamon stick in hot water for 10 minutes. Drink 1 cup in the morning and 1 in the evening. If you're serious about taking control of your blood sugar, I've put together a complete diabetes essential bundle that's on sale right now. This comprehensive system includes 20 proven science-backed tips to help reverse diabetes naturally, plus over 50 delicious diabetic-friendly recipes that actually taste amazing. We're talking breakfast, snacks, and even desserts, all designed to keep your blood sugar stable while satisfying your taste buds. These are meals your entire family will enjoy. The bundle is on sale for a limited time. You'll find the link in the description below. If you implement just a handful of these tips and recipes, you'll see a noticeable difference in your blood sugar readings within weeks. All right, let's get back to our list. Now for the two most powerful teas for blood sugar control. Tea number 2, ginger tea. Ginger is a spicy, warming tea with serious blood sugar lowering power. A systematic review found that ginger supplementation significantly reduced fasting blood sugar, hemoglobin A1C, and insulin resistance. Why ginger is so effective? It contains gingerols and shogaols that increase glucose uptake by muscle cells, pulling sugar from your blood into your muscles where it can be used for energy. It reduces oxidative stress. High blood sugar creates harmful free radicals that damage your cells. Ginger's antioxidants neutralize these free radicals. One study found that consuming 3 grams of ginger powder per day for 90 days reduced fasting blood sugar by 10.5% and hemoglobin A1C by 7.6%. Those are life-changing results. How to use it? Buy ginger tea bags or make fresh ginger tea by slicing a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger root and steeping it for 10-15 minutes. Drink 20-30 minutes before meals for best results. Tea number 1, green tea. The undisputed champion for blood sugar control is green tea, backed by hundreds of scientific studies. A comprehensive study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition analyzed data from over 280,000 participants and found that people who drank green tea regularly had an 18% lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes. What makes green tea number 1? It contains EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate, one of the most potent natural compounds for improving insulin sensitivity. It helps your body's cells respond better to insulin. Green tea also boosts metabolism and helps with weight loss. Losing just 5 to 10% of your body weight can dramatically improve blood sugar control. One study found that drinking green tea with a high-carb meal reduced the blood sugar spike by up to 50%. That's remarkable. How to use it? Drink 3-4 cups throughout the day. The key is consistency. Heat water to about 175 Fahrenheit and steep for 2 to 3 minutes. Boiling water destroys beneficial compounds and makes it bitter. Drink it between meals rather than with meals, as green tea can interfere with iron absorption. So there you have it, the top 5 teas doctors recommend. Number 5, chamomile for better sleep and reduced inflammation. Number 4, hibiscus for slowing carb absorption. Number 3, cinnamon for improved insulin sensitivity. Number 2, ginger for enhanced glucose uptake. Number 1, green tea for powerful EGCG and comprehensive benefits. These teas work best as part of a comprehensive approach with proper diet, exercise, stress management, and quality sleep. For a complete roadmap for reversing diabetes, including tips and recipes, grab my Diabetes Essential Bundle on sale now. Link below with 20 proven tips and over 50 recipes. Which tea are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below. If you found this helpful, hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more evidence-based diabetes content. Your health is in your hands, or in this case, in your teacup. Start with 1 tea today, stay consistent, and watch what happens to your blood sugar. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.